we are on, I'm not exactly sure what the name of this road is, but we are just out by Bangor. Just left Breedsville. I'm actually just headed to South Haven to pick up a few things. And this weather has gotten worse. The roads aren't like too bad right now, but it's supposed to get worse, I guess, as the night goes. Well, got that deer. I don't know if I caught it too good, but definitely got a deer in the video. Okay, they shouldn't be activating as much now.
You can drop your gifts off at any West Michigan Honor Credit Union location between now and November 30th.
Big Brothers Big Sisters serves children ages 6 to 18 in Kalamazoo, Allegan, Calhoun, and Van Buren counties.
It's definitely pretty cold out too, I'll tell you that.
Stuff the Bus 2018 is powered by Honor Credit Union. Get more info and gift ideas right now at WKFR.com.
Are you ready for the intuitive LG V40 ThinQ for just $20 a month? Right now at Sprint, you can get the only phone in the market with 5 cameras to capture moments from every single angle. That's right, you can get the LG V40 ThinQ at Sprint for $20 a month, regularly priced at $40 a month with an 18-month Sprint Flex lease. Hurry to Sprint. This limited time offers for new customers with approved credit and a new line of service, or existing customers with an eligible upgrade. Need more reasons to hurry to Sprint? Get a free 49-inch LG TV when you lease the V40 ThinQ while supplies last. Requires registration at LG.com and a new line of service. There's never been a better time to try our network built